The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in
Morning,
listen-only
guys.
mode.
Dennis, very good morning. Fellas, good morning to you all. Let me shut down Skype here. Morning, guys. Thank you, Deepak, Anthony, Paul, Irfan. Guys, very good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nolan, good morning. I've posted some earnings reports, guys, in member Skype. Hang on, fellas. Everybody so far that I have posted has beaten. Morning, Doug, including United Health, which is the most heavily weighted Dow component. I'll pay attention to YM today, which I rarely, if ever, do. So we may trade YM. Today is Friday, April 14th. Last day of the week, guys. Another week went by pretty quickly. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to your last day in the room, at least as a trial member. Hopefully you guys will be with us on Monday as a full member. Bots have had a good morning so far. Gold is up $860. Interestingly enough, YM has not taken a trade. NASDAQ is up 1,050. Crude has not taken a trade. No real movement in crude today. And the ES is up 87.50. So we are green today, guys. Bots right now are up 18, 19, couple $1,000. I'll let them run. We'll see what we can do. Thank God it's Friday. Amen to that. We've had a good week with order flow trades. For those of you guys that are on trial, I will not be sending a follow-up email today. You have your options for membership. If for some reason you elect to go your own way, I want to thank you in advance for the time this week. And I sincerely hope you find whatever it is that you may be looking for. If you haven't found it here, I'm not sure where you're going to find it. But I do thank you for your time. At the end, I will do a brief, not really a presentation, but what I will do is just go over the weekly totals and leave you guys with that. I will be watching the YM today. So let me do this. Let's change that. I won't pay much attention to gold. Okay, here we are in a 3-minute. Pay attention to the YM. In any event, guys, good morning. It's Friday. If you guys are... all right, let me quickly read the disclaimer. And we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. YM took a trade. Okay, out on the YM, $5 net trade. I just shut them off, guys. Forgot to shut them off for the news, fellas. That's a faux pas. I didn't think we'd see that kind of reaction. Let it jerk around. Let it jerk around. NASDAQ's going to go long. Let me see NASDAQ, guys. Maybe a small, not worth the trade. Not worth the trade. I like it better down at 130. ES can't get above 73. I'm sorry, NASDAQ can't get above 73, and ES doesn't want to break below 69. It held the stop. Hourlies look like a bear flag. Very interesting. $69 is the port. I don't know if we can get that target. Unless we cave on down through. If we come below 68, we could backtest that 62. Got it. It's holding that 68 still. All right, bots are off. They should have been off for the news. Fed's Goolsbee on CNBC for a live interview. Take a look at NASDAQ, guys. Yeah, there was a small short. ES coming to 164 and probably backtest at 160. NASDAQ at 1,500 sellers, some profit taking. Let's take a look at NASDAQ on a naked chart on a 60-minute. We could get 101 again. If we don't hold here, this big volume cluster, lower high in here today, right? 216, yesterday 226. We are holding this big volume area. If that holds, this is the bounce. Looks like it's pretty close to a double bottom on the daily. Probably bounce back up to 54. Value area low. $120 area is going to be hard to break. We traded into 122, which was which was daily support. Prior daily resistance becomes support. We're into hourly resistance here at 48. It's worth a short. I missed it. Anybody take crude short? For those of you guys that have been through the order flow class and know how, I draw my levels, I've actually got Joel trying to build an indicator that will auto draw levels. Save you. Oh boy, that 48 would have been a nice short. Now it's 8 buyers. I mean, this is. I guess I was just off on the zone. $12 buyers. Seriously. 11 buyers. 10 buyers. 9 buyers. This is why I don't trade the YM. We could pop back to 91. We came to that break at 62. $88 is probably where this is headed now. Volume's so light on the YM right now, guys. It's hard to tell. All right, I'm out of here. That's it for me. That's it for pre-market trading for me, fellas. That's it. I'm done. There's 88. We held on the 60-minute. See where I drew the volume profile? At the notch here, we held it. If NASDAQ were to break below 91, it's probably a pretty quick trip to 68. And YM right back down. Piece of shit. All right, fellas. It's breakfast time for me. We'll get them on the open. We'll make our money. Back at 9:20. Two minutes, fellas. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the open. Yeah, I'm watching NQ on the open. 1,900 sellers on the NQ. Watching YM as well. We're off. We're off. NASDAQ into resistance here. $600 buyers on the opening 3-minute bar so far, guys. Probably get 66 now. We could go 95. I need a pullback now. There's our pullback. YM gets above here, 41.80. I like it long. NASDAQ now losing buyers. Come on, YM, push. Let's go. NASDAQ floating. Holding volume point of control. SPY right now holding above VWAP. That's your resistance level, 13 to 1382. All right. Price action sucks. Seriously? Target filled on gold. Target one filled. Jesus. Buyers, but they're small, guys. SPX, you guys can buy calls. 4150 calls. SPX 4150s. We're just grinding up, fellas. Slow and steady buyers. Gold about to get target 2. Missed by a tick. Anybody buy 4150 calls? Come on, give me a pullback, for God's sakes. That was the damn trade, fellas, and I missed it. God dang it. $190, next level up. There's 4150. So you've hit target. You should be in the money. Next level up would be 55 to 57 on SPX. So you want to reduce some risk here, guys, if you bought SPX calls. Here we go. Fudge this, man. Straight up. And I can't get in the damn trade. Boy, that pisses me off. Watch this long here, guys, on SPY now. You can buy 4115s SPYs if we can get through this line here. 4115 SPY calls. SPX making money. You're in the money. Next target up is 57 on SPX. Your long SPY calls, 4115s. All right, ES guys, this is the make or break. We get above this 80, we get a whale We get a whale. Okay, Randy. Yeah, same difference. SPY, SPX. Holding support in here on SPY. Even Qs. Qs need to get above yesterday's high. I need a pullback here, guys. God, it's just slow. If NASDAQ gets above 200, I'll be long above 200. I'm going to take this long right here, guys. 200. This is massive resistance, though. If this pushes up through, target one is 230. Got to get through that 200. Target one is 230. Come on, NASDAQ. $209 is yesterday's close. If you want to take one off at 209. And then yesterday's high is 228. Got to get above 200. 201, 202. Come on, push, baby. SPY, SPX, paying. Target filled. Target one filled. 28 is my next target, guys. Here comes new day high. Yeah, I know. I see what you mean. Thanks. Support is at 02. $4.15 calls printing. 4.15 calls now printing. SPX on the cusp of a massive breakout if you're holding SPX calls. SPX calls if you're holding those. On the cusp of a breakout, fellas. All right, new day high. Find a couple handles. Nice job, Mike. Come on, give me that candle. Give me that target, baby. Give me 27. One more push. Yeah, man. $41.95 ES target, fellas. Those of you guys that have SPX calls. Target filled. Target filled. There you go, baby. All right, guys. Another 100% SPY trade, baby. Nice job, Arjet. Thank you, Jacques. Well, it really wasn't a great call. It was a good call. This was the great call. If we'd have traded into that box, we'd have been long down here. It was a good call. Everybody good, fellas? All right, guys. So I was down in this account 285 in the pre-market. Told you we're going to break out above 80. It's a breakout. Nice job, Mimi. I'm up 405 in this account and 690 in this account. I traded YM on the bot for 690. 5 contracts. Is there anybody that didn't take the trade? Guys, this SPX and SPY are a breakout. If you didn't make money, you didn't take a trade. Nice job, Marcia. I mean, we're trading up into a whole crap load of resistance. Whole crap load. Get above that swing high, the day swing high. You can target 240, 38, 39. Nice job. Nice job, David. Anybody have any questions, guys? It's 9:50. Straight freaking breakout. SPX, next target up, 4170. Nice job, Marcia. Guys, if you are here on trial, I hope that you are with us on Monday. Trials end today. It's been a great week. I don't do a lot of trading on Friday. Randy sold 2 SPY calls for a 100% win. As did Arjan. Mike couldn't stand it anymore. He closed his SPX calls for $974. Second ever option trade. Nice job, Mike. Daily goal met. All right, guys. Got a room full of green, fellas. Let's see. David made $1,000 on ES. Where do you find a SPY chart? There is no SPY chart on Ninja. There's no SPY chart. You're welcome, Brett. Thank you, Brad. If only you knew what you were doing. You will. Yeah, consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. We'll sit tight. I would like to get, I haven't traded a PA account yet. I'm surely not buying this, but I'll tell you where we're headed. I'll tell you where NASDAQ is headed. We're at this daily resistance. If we can get up through this, we're going to get 300. 13,300. It's not a question of what's, and don't call me Shirley. That's right. The issue isn't how big of an account to trade 10 contracts. It depends on the strike. So typically, Deepak and I will buy just out of the money calls or puts. So usually one strike. So on the SPX, they could be $8, $9. 10 contracts might be $8 or $9 or $10,000. But SPY trades almost hand in hand. Deepak is up 180% on his 4160 calls. How many contracts did you buy? 10. Nice. What'd you pay for him, brother? 360. So he's up almost he's almost up a double. But SPYs are cheaper. You can buy SPYs. Anybody that bought 4115 SPY calls, what'd you guys pay for them? You got Target, 4115, almost to the tick. 60 cents. And where are they now? Because I'm looking at SPX, not SPY. Where are they now? So you could have bought 10 contracts in SPY for $600, and they're 90 cents now. You're up 50%. 50% is 50%. I don't give a shit if it's on a penny or $1 million. Same, right? We got some big sellers creeping in on the NASDAQ here. 6. They're not getting me on a short again. They got me yesterday on every time I tried a short. Literally, every time. Still made money, but had to get it back on the longs. Buy 227. 25 to 27, I would say, is your entry, yeah. $2,100 net buyers. I would say you're buying pullbacks. I might could narrow it. Let's see here. This is a 3-minute. Guys, is there anybody that didn't make money today? If you didn't take a trade, it's on you guys. But everybody should have been green today. You're very welcome, Don. You guys are welcome. Doug, you're welcome, guys. It's Friday, fellas. The goal here is not to, overtrade or aggressively trade. No pullback to our support. You could buy resistance here for another push up to that high and then a breakout if you're aggressive. I'm waiting for the 15-minute bar to close. Wally bought 4 SPYs at 60 cents, so $240. He sold 1 at $1, and he's holding 3. Here's the breakout. Another breakout. Yeah, consumer sentiment's not going to affect us. We're not coming down if that's what you're waiting on. $2,700 net buyers, guys. I'm waiting for top of the hour and a new 15-minute bar. We're definitely going to, I think on the hourlies, we'll get 300. If you're looking for pullback, 36. This is just going to keep going, guys. This is freaking stupid. Seriously. It's another trend day, barring, some stupid. I think we're going to see 280 and 300. I'm just looking for a place to get in. Again, I have no place to get in here. I'm not getting sucked into shorts again. See you, Mike. See you at 11:30, brother. It's above. It's a beat. Holding support. 400 sellers in here, buying some back. We could pull back to yesterday's close, which is flat. We should get a bounce off 08, yesterday's close. Holding 14. Quite a few sellers. Michigan consumer sentiment. We're holding yesterday's high, 32-ish. We're longs, guys. You don't use the TD Renko. You're crude and NASDAQ. That's the Unirenko. All right. Breaking out again. We need to get through this high. You're welcome. There we go. If we get this high of the day, they're buying them back in here. We need to get above 50, 51, lest we have a double top. We get through that, this melts up. I'm long in a PA account. But I know I got to get through 52, 52.50 if this is going to blow. We get through 52 or so, it'll clear 2 standard deviations. And I think we're off to the races. Come on, pushing small resistance here on the 10-minute. It's going to have to pull back. Small sellers in here, 80 sellers. Got a double top on the daily. I am long, guys. It doesn't look like it. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, get that high. Got a 214 buyer right here off the high. There we go. Say goodbye to your little friend, fellas. Come on, got to get it really above that standard deviation. We pushed it up. Come on. I'm long 47. Does it matter where I'm long? When I say I'm long, just hit buy market. Jesus, guys. Kudos to you. Come on. Small net buyers gone to flip to sellers. I am not selling NASDAQ. I mean, I'm not taking shorts, guys. I got burned on 142 buyer just came in here. They didn't buy him again. I got burned on every short I took yesterday. Every one. You can take it long again at 43. $200 sellers. There's no news that I hear. We're back to flat at 09. Hourlies are still long. 10 minutes are still long. Everything is long. Don't know. Yeah, man. That's the thing on Fridays. Take your dough and run. Take your dough and run. I don't do a ton of trades on Fridays. That's quite a pullback here, guys. Quite a pullback. Deeper than I would have liked. On the hourlies, we could come down on the hourlies to 175. There's point of control. Jesus. I hear no news. Let me look at SPX, guys. There may be puts here. Oh, I missed it. Deepak, where are your eyes, man? We could have bought 150 puts. Where are my eyes? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like we're going to break even lower. We've pulled VWAP up. Jesus. Guys, I hear no news. ES target is 140. I'm sorry, NASDAQ, 140. 140. Below VWAP. If we break below that 173, they're going to sell them all back. $140 target on NASDAQ. I sold one in a PA account. Way too volatile to trade a PA account. Way too volatile. I'm out. I'm flat. That's a PA account. I'm up 350. Too volatile, guys. Look at this, Dom. I'm done with that account for the day. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I have no idea. Let me change PA accounts. I'll take the 350 and be done. Unfinished auction here. Yeah, this is really. They sold 1,450. You closed them for 9. Nice job. Almost a triple. But you missed the puts, dude. Short here, 80 to 53. Add in at 90 if you're going to trade it. I'm not taking this trade. This is too nuts. Look at your Dom. You hit buy market, you could be 4 handles later. Well, you have to get over your Deepak. You have to get past that. What's the word I want? Bias. You got to get over the bias, man. But you're still the man, brother. You are the man. Nice job. Up $5,400 minus fees. My man. Hang on, fellas. Just sit tight. I don't know what this move was about. Here's ES. Whatever this news may have been about, they're not saying anything on Squawk. I'm going to try a 90 short. That's a clean PA account. I haven't traded it yet. I'm going to try a 90 short. I won't give it much room. Didn't get there. It's only one contract. All right. I'm short 90 right off that former daily. Got 100 buyers here. This could go right back to 200. I'll add one at 200. 99. I'll add one at 99. Come on, drop like a stone, you rat bag. Sell them. Come on, drop. Drop like a stone. I need this to fall down below 77 and it's over but the pissing. Come on. Yellen speaking. I'm out. I'm out of it while she's speaking. I'm out of it. QQQs. SPYs. SPYs look like they're building a bear flag for a roll. I like 412 SPY puts. 412 SPY puts. Need to get out of this flag. SPX. Similar look. Watch SPY 412 puts. SPY 412 puts. Too small. I mean, watch them. Watch SPY. I got to break down out of this flag. $4.12 puts right now are 56 cents. I paid 63 cents as well. There we go. Come on. Breakdown 412.72. First target is 412.39. They're now 74 cents, up 15%. That's the 200. Let's get down here. Break this freaking support, baby. Break that support. Let's go. Come on, one more burst. They're now 78 cents, up 22%. $89. 89 cents, guys. Big trades. Big trade. 81 cents now, up 28%. Big trade, guys. Now we break below here, and it's a free fall. Let me take a look at SPY. Let me see what we can come SPY. 411.98 is target. Final target if you guys want to hold that. Your choice. 411.98. Right there. There you go, guys. 63 to 89. Let me take a look at this. Another chart, fellas. Yeah, if we get a break below that swing low at 412.41, you can target 411.42. Better than 20%. I sold a chunk at 89 cents minus 63 is 26 cents divided by 63. It's 41%. Here we go. Here comes the breakdown. Come on. If anybody's holding SPY, stop should go to break even, guys, on anything left. 411.98 to 411.40 is target. NASDAQ finally broke down. 40 was my target on NASDAQ, guys. 41. 41 is still a target on NASDAQ. There's 49. Anybody stay with that NASDAQ short? 41's target 1. 41 is target 1. Here's the breakdown in SPY. Okay. There's your breakdown. 412 is now your target. Baby, we're cooking these. They're 95 cents right now. There's your NASDAQ target, 41, 40, 41. That's target 1 on NQ. That's target 1, fellas. NASDAQ probably works down to 120. No, Yellen. I don't know what the hell she said. You got, listen, guys, 63 to 94 cents. It's a nice little trade. Too bad I didn't do 300 of them. Here you go. Here comes your target. SPY target. NASDAQ only has 1,000 sellers, guys, so be prepared for a reversal. ES, I'm watching 52, 50 to 52 for the reversal. Come on, give me those last 20 cents on this SPY. And that's not even it. If you guys, if we break below that 12, your target then becomes yesterday's low, 409. NASDAQ now probably works down to 120, guys. 120 on NASDAQ. 120. Who's holding SPY still? Who's still got SPY puts? Okay, Randy. Come on, break down here. 1,200 sellers in NASDAQ. Come on, give me those last 20 cents, SPY. Let's go. That's not final target, guys. If you're holding SPY, you can reduce some there. Final target is 411.41. 411.41. Nice job, Arjan. 67%, baby. Made money all the way around today, guys. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, fellas. Next short's below this swing, 36.50, if it comes down there. Yeah, yes, not quite to 50 to 52. Getting a small bounce back into resistance on no buyers. Take a look at NASDAQ on a bigger time frame. Yeah, buddy. 59.60 was the short on the 10-minute bar, and the target is 118. 59.60 was your short. SPX did the same breakdown, guys. So I'm, for you guys that don't trade a lot of options. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Same bear flag. I can't do much about operator error, but here's your short here below this swing on order flow. We'll find sellers down there again. You can short 35.50. There's some support here, but 35.50 takes it down to 30, and then 28, and ultimately probably 20 or 17. Got a 110 seller here. Got to break that swing here, and we could get a flush all the way down into 112. There it is. Boop. Come on. They'll press them. Sellers will press them. There it goes. Come on, sellers. Got stacked sellers on the bottom. There you go. So if you sold that, yeah, it should. Hey, Joe, it should flush. You want to take some risk off about 28, just ahead of this next swing at 27. Come on. There's no buyers in the candle, fellas. There's pockets of them, but net negative delta 400 plus. We're just holding a former buy zone. And on the next candle in 14 seconds, that should flush down through. Nice job, Arjan. 10 minutes are still short, guys. There's no next 10-minute bar is right here. This is where we should break back down. Come on. I have no interest in a long. I don't care how many buyers come in. New point of control. Where's my other chart? All right, I'm missing a chart. Now, there it is. NASDAQ's on the cusp. I'm sorry, ES. Geez, Mark. You think anything's changed? I mean, help me out here, Mark. You think anything's changed since I made that statement? Guys, I'm a bull, bear, and neutral within 5 minutes. I don't trade with a bias. If you do, you're going to get fucked every time. I think the market sucks. I think the economy shits. I think we're going bankrupt. I think blah, 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 blah. Consequently, I'm only short. Mark, we don't trade with a bias. Doesn't matter what we think. Well, don't tell me easy. You're the one that pointed out what I said earlier, but I'm trying to point out what's changed. Well, maybe next time at the end you do LOL, so I know you're joking. I have no bias, fellas. I mean, I have opinions. I think the economy sucks. I don't know why this market is up. I have no idea why this thing is up. I don't really care. I'll trade it up. If it wants to break up, break up. I still like shorts. But listen, my opinion, which counts for nothing, is that this economy is in deep doo-doo. Financially, morally, ethically. You're welcome, Jeremy. See you, man. We're still coming down, guys. I don't know about the Bermudas. We're hanging in here, guys, but we're coming down. We're coming into the opening range low, which is at 33.75. $33.75. We catch this swing and it's over. Final target, man, we're going to get 122. We're holding some small support here. We should get 122. If we don't bounce there, it's going to just continue to get bled out like a pig. Net negative delta is increasing. Now, it's entirely possible that they're just drawing shorts in and they're going to stick Europe over the weekend and push it later. Okay, you're good. We're just working through the buy zone from the way up, fellas. It's coming down. I'm telling you, it's coming down. It's just working through. Look, it's working through this zone. Break at 23, we get 17, 15, 01. But it has to work down through these buy zones. Hourly is coming into support at 106. I will take 105-ish long. If we get there. That's where on the hourly, that's where I like it long. 121 may stop it. Still holding this damn 240-minute support. Oh, I didn't change it at 10 o'clock, but it's still valid. It's still pinging off that 30 area. It needs to bust down through and get to that daily. All right, look, we're pulling the 95 lower, right? I mean the 68. We're dropping this down. This is getting ready for a big bounce back up. Above the point of control, this could bounce right back up, and they come back in and buy it. 66 buyers, not impressed, but guys, is there anybody that's down on the day? Is there anybody that's down? So nobody's red, right? Nobody's red. Did you take the last short, Melvin? That doesn't count, Deepak. Oh, you're going to get 125. Maybe 121, but don't be a jerk for a few ticks. We're basing out here on a 3-minute. I'm starting to think we're going to pop long. If we pop above 42, it's going to go long. That point of control, 40, 41. If we get back up into these buyers, they could pop this long. So see what we get on the next bar. 50 seconds, fellas. I still think the hourly has to come to 106. Yeah, I don't really pay attention to oil. I don't want to use the word expertise, but my preference is NASDAQ. Oil's too damn slow for me. 106 buyer at the point of control. Yeah, get an ATM on here, guys. All right, new candle. Yeah, this could go long. Not with one buyer, but it's 142 buyer, guys. 142 at the point of control. Initial resistance is going to be 47. Right there. Let's see if they buy that PO. They bought them again at 40. I think we pop up. They're buying 40. Come on. They didn't buy him again. They did not buy him again at 40. We got to that 47 resistance. inside bar on a 10-minute, which I can't stand. Nice job, David. I mean, we got it to the damn tick, right? All right, this may be the next push down to 25. It's holding this trend line, but I think we push through that to 25 and potentially you've got 10-minute support here at 25.50. 10-minute support. Value area low. Come on, push down, baby. Push down. Now it's holding that same 240, but it's hit it 4 or 5 times, guys. I am reluctant to think that that holds. There's a 90 seller. We can still break down to 25. There it goes. There it goes. There's your target, 25. Into the trend line again and a bounce. So this can keep working lower. All right, guys. We're coming into hourly support. About 09. Let me see what that is. 06. Somewhere down between 06 and 09. You're welcome, Melvin. We're going to have a hard time breaking here. We're going to have a hard time getting through this. We're holding a damn pivot. If we get above that 35, this can break up. It needs to get above 35. If this goes above 35, this goes back to 41, point of control. I think we get 41 on this push again. And then through 47, it can start moving back up. 35, this is going to give you a small scalp to 41. That's where the big buyer is here, 151. This is going to give you 40, 41 target from 34. There's 39. Oh, you stink face. 39.50. Look at that chooch. Couple of dinks. Come on. There it is. All right, 39.75. You guys going to hang me for a tick? They're drawing shorts, fellas. I mean, my opinion is Europe is going to get caught holding the bag here. Support's now going to be 25. Resistance is 41. Point of control. And then 47, which is 60-minute resistance. So that's kind of this little trap we're in here. 25 to 40, it's 15 handles. Guys, I'm going to go over everything I've done today. Gold up 1530 on the bot. 1530. YM on an Apex account up 690. Okay. NASDAQ up 1,050. Crude. How the hell? Crude is off. Missed this trade. Nothing. And ES down 187.50. Bots were up $3,082 today. $3,082. So let's go to here. Let's wrap up the week for the benefit of trials. So bot trades plus 3,082.50. Not what I want. Weekly total plus 1228 yesterday, plus 965, plus 500, plus 35. 5810.50 for the week. Combine accounts. I traded 2 combine accounts. 690 and 4 something. Hang on. And 405. So 690 and 405. 1,095. Two accounts. Weekly total plus 1285 plus 575, 1750 minus 525, 4180. And I did pass a combine this morning with, I actually traded 3 accounts, but one was for $185 to pass a combine. Okay. PA accounts. I'm up, that's not a PA account. Hang on. I am up 350 in one and currently down 245 in another. 350 and 245. So call it 250, $105 today so far. I'll trade this later. I got all day. Plus 105. 2. So trading essentially my money. I got $50 plus 250 plus 985 plus 550 plus 105. 1940 for the week. Not bad. Only off by $150 from last week. Pretty good week, guys. Pretty good week. Monday was nothing on the bots, $35. Monday was down on funded accounts. I'm sorry, combine accounts, and only $50 on PA account. on Monday. So Monday was a slow day. If you guys are here on trial, I don't do much of a presentation. I have no presentation, actually. So if you guys are looking to be wowed by some great sales presentation, it's not going to happen. Not what I do. Trading has been very good this week, as it usually is. You guys have seen it for a week. I will be canceling all of my trials links. If you folks would like to join us next week as a member, please send me an email. Tell me what you'd like to do. Settings haven't changed. No, the only thing I changed, Joe, was contract size on gold. I changed nothing else. Anybody have any questions, guys, before I wrap it up? It's almost 11. Option guys, I'll see you